Still go, Al? Bermuda flight, you still okay?
Roger, Cape, full green.
Roger.
Holding 500, real good, man.
CO, verify cameras and tape.
Still go, Sergeant?
Roger.
All the way,
Tape
flight.
recorder is
Minus
running.
30 seconds. Affirmative.
Cameras are both running.
Systems?
Okay,
Systems,
CO,
go.
box fire on.
How about you,
Minus
Renzo?
20 power
Go,
on now.
flight. How
AMR.
about you, Fido?
Go.
Missile.
T-minus 50
Go.
seconds.
Roger.
Blinking
20
green.
seconds.
Very good.
Missile alarm. 1 minute, 15 seconds.
Standing
power,
by, Capcom.
go. RF systems,
We're
go.
at stage 3
Propulsion,
pressure.
go. AMR
Roger.
telemetry, go. Telemetry quality,
Go.
Mercury capsule, go.
7 from Cape, audio radio, HF.
Roger.
60 seconds and counting. Roger, Retro, loud and clear.
Seconds,
John, stand by to start EPI on my mark. Roger. 3, 2, 1, mark.
Roger, EPI is started. Minus 45. Minus 40. Status check, pressurization. Go. Locks tanking. Control center recorders to fast speed.
Umbilical retract now.
Range operation.
Go, clear to launch.
Mercury capsule. Go.
Scope is retracting. The scope is retracted, light is out.
19 seconds and holding momentarily. Roger.
Valid DM on scope retract. Roger.
Firing signal.
May the Wheeling be with you, Thomas.
15 seconds. Godspeed, John Glenn. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Roger.
Clock is started.
Fuel 102, 101, oxygen 78, 100, amps 27.
Fuel 102, 101, oxygen 78, 100.
Roger, it's okay. Mine was 70 on your mark. Have some vibration area coming up here.
Roger, reading you loud and clear.
Roger, coming into high Q a little bit, man. A little contrail went by the window or something there.
Roger.
Fuel 102, 101, oxygen 78 to 101, amps 24, still okay.
Backup clock is started.
Roger, say again your instructions, please, over.
We are recommending that the retro package not, I say again, not be jettisoned. This means that you will have to override the 05G switch, which is expected to occur at 044353. This is approximately 4.5 minutes from now. This also means that you will have to retract the scope manually. Do you understand?
Roger, understand. I will have to make a manual 05G entry when it occurs and bring the scope in manually. Is that affirmed?
That is affirmative. Friendship 7.
Roger. This Friendship 7 going to re-entry attitude then in that case.
7, Cape Flight will give you the reasons for this action when you're in view.
Roger. Roger, Friendship 7.
Everything down here on the ground looks okay.
Roger, that's Friendship 7.
Confirm your attitudes.
Roger.
Friendship 7, this is Cape, over.
Go ahead, Cape, Friend 7.
I recommend you go to the entry altitude and retract the scope manually at this time.
Roger, retracting scope manually.
While you're doing that, we're not sure what's going on to the landing bag as deployed. We feel it's far closer to re-enter with the retro package on. We see no difficulty at this time in that package re-entry. Over.
Roger. Understand. This is Friendship 7. I'm on straight manual control at present time. This was still kicking in and out of orientation mode, mainly in yaw, following retrofire, so I'm on straight manual now. I'll back it up.
Re-entry.
Say again.
Stand by.
This is Friendship 7. I'm very warm. I'm just remaining motionless here, trying to keep as cool as possible. I'm extremely warm at the moment.
Steelhead, Roger.